Hi there everybody, Lilani here. So I don't know about you ladies, but I miss having my facial massages. So for me in the morning and in the evenings when I do my skincare routine, it's a me time. But something that we all do, hopefully in the morning and in the evening, is to moisturize. So today's video is going to be about a quick little at-home massage for you while you're applying your moisturizer.
So what you will need is a moisturizer to suit your skin, a headband or clip to keep your unruly hair out the way, and your magic hands. You will take a little bit more product than what you would normally use. Warm it up in the palms of your hands and then press onto the face. Now be careful here not to rub the products in. Don't forget to go behind the ears, behind the neck, and also the front of the neck. First, we're going to start with nice firm strokes across the forehead, and you can do these movements as many times as you actually have time for. Stretch it out a little bit if you can. From there, we are going to start pinching the eyebrows. Don't be scared here to pinch the eyebrows. We have a lot of stress with all of our facial expressions, and we keep a lot of tension. You can pinch them from the inside and out. Next, I want you to use your thumbs, press up onto the pressure points that we normally recommend for releasing tension, headaches, and stress. Next, we are going to use the thumbs to press up into what we normally use as a pressure point to relieve tension, headaches, and stress. We are now going to move on to draining the eye area. Don't know about you, but I've been having a lot of puffiness under the eye area. And not only is this movement good to drain any puffiness, but also to help release the sinuses and to drain any sinus congestion. I love massaging the nose arch. Drain out again to the temples to release the tension. The jawline is where we also keep a lot of anxiety and stress, especially if you clench your jaws. Here, two different movements where you can either drain up the sides, and here my favorite is to actually just do a nice firm knuckling from the jawline up onto the cheeks. This helps to boost a lot of blood circulation as well, and of course is lifting and firming. You can see how red my cheeks are going there. You can never forget the neck. Turn your head to the side and we are going to massage what we call the sternocleidomastoid muscle. It is that muscle that just pops out when you turn your head to the side. Do nice, firm but small circular strokes, starting from the ear area, working all the way down to the clavicle. Repeat this as many times as what you feel comfortable, and also depending on how much stress you have. You can never forget the neck. I'm going to show you the back of my neck right now, where we keep a lot of tension. Please excuse the lockdown hair. With your palms nice and firm, pull out from the center of the spine. You can now continue with circles starting at the occipital, which is the base of the skull, and then moving down. This gives a lot of relief, especially if you are sitting in front of the computer or generally just working at a desk most of the day, even in lockdown. The ears you can never leave out. Your ears have got so many pressure points in them, and you will see my ears respond very well to massage. Do small little circular movements on the ears, and my favorite is to pull down onto the earlobes to release stress and tension. You can see how red they are going there, so all the blood circulation is good and perfect. And that is your quick 5-minute facial, neck and back of the neck massage while you apply your moisturizer. You can do just a once over to make sure that all the areas are covered, and then enjoy a wonderful stress-free skin today.